Yo guys, thanks for tuning into Gig of Non-Tech. In this video, I am going to show that how can you control or access YouTube Studio in a fresh monetized channel or a non-monetized channel. First of all, we have to take a look about the non-monetization channel of the YT Studio, which means YouTube Studio. So let's roll the intro. This is my YouTube channel of a non-monetized channel. When we go to the customized channel, it means, like, as you can see, this is the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, actually it is the interface of the YouTube, in which we can access all the background or all the settings or all the dashboards, contents, playlist, analytics, each and everything. This is the monetization tab of my channel. As you can see, there is none or not even a single subscriber on my channel, and I have to acquire 4000 watch time hours to complete the monetization program of my channel. Look, as you can see, this is YouTube Studio. This is the settings of the YouTube Studio, in which there is general, there is channel. I have prefer Pakistan, tech everything. There are some keywords. They You can even you can also attach some moderators or some non moderators or any viewers with your channel, as you can connect or you can easily communicate with them through YouTube Studio. This is the audio library where you can use non-copyright music in your YouTube videos. Like, keep moving, keep on moving. If you use this song, you won't gain any YouTube strike or community guide strike or any copyright strike. Now, I hope you understand the why YouTube Studio of a non-monetized channel. Now, let's have a look. This is my channel, which is Gamerilla, through where I upload all my new videos. There, this is through where you have to just click on the icon of the YouTube, and then you have to click on the second option of under your channel. It's YouTube Studio. It's taking a while loading. As you can see, uh, it's my channel analytics. There are current these subscriber in my channel, and like, as you can see, the content, this is public. On these two videos are unlisted, and YouTube Studio allows you, these are views, watch time hour, estimated revenue, and these are subscriber and watch time. As you can see, my watch time is in the previous 28 days, it's 8.1, mean to say 8 hours. And this is my, as you can see, this is my whatever you say, let's have a look at the monetization tab of my channel. Actually, to Google, as you can see, my channel is monetized, so there are standard to find. Okay, dismiss for now. There are playlists, there are content analytics, and you can see some comments. As you can see, look, this is real time updating live. See live count. You can also see live count Uh, this occurs when some of the YouTubers might use it for other purposes, or as I use this OBS studio recorder. YouTube studio is actually the main prefer. You can see your views, your watch time hours, and anything. uh, have you ever used customization? Its layout is branding. There you can in YouTube studio you can assess your profile picture, your banner image. And what is banner? Let me show you. Open a new link. This is my YouTube channel. This the main banner which you can see is the YouTube banner of the white YouTube studio. Yes, and let's roll back into, and this is the entire video. Basic information mean to say, or in 80 words, YouTube studio is the main function through which you can assess each and everything of your channel, and you can assess everything. Let me show you some of its settings. In general, I think you just, whatever you are in which country of the world, just make default your currency into USD dollars, as we know that YouTube head office in USA, United States of America, and then channel country of residence is where which through which you live in which country. Advanced settings, you have to make sure that in YouTube studio you have to set this into no. This channel is not made for kids now. Feature availability, as you can see, my all three features are enabled. Okay, then there are permissions or community, or look, there's something new. I don't think so. Let's back. This is my revenue. I through where I can watch my total. Okay. Hmm, it's quite amazing. Let's go back to the YouTube studio. This is all about through which you can see all the things. Thank you so much.